why you doing beautiful music. What do you think you're doing? Thomas and trumpet. I wish you wouldn't play. Thomas and trumpet. Get me feeling nervous. Playing these sweet things. Always something nervy. Thomas and trumpet. I think I'll throw you away. Thomas and trumpet. Get me feeling nervous. Playing these sweet things. Always something nervy. Thomas and trumpet. I think I'll throw you away. You're gonna drive me crazy. If you don't, you're gonna drive me crazy.
So that was Sound Nomaden with beautiful music. Our Sound Nomaden is from Munster in Germany, and you can find more music from him on SoundCloud. Now, if you're enjoying the show so far, please do give it a like on Spreaker. There's a little heart button just beneath where the show's playing. If you give that a click for me, it would really, really make me smile. Also, of course, anything you can do to help me share this great music with more people would be greatly appreciated. If you can share this on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, any social media sites that you can, I would really, really appreciate it. And I'm sure it would mean a lot to these artists as well to get their music out to more people. So next up, I've got a track from Vaya con Dios called Don't Cry for Louie, and this is a remix by Mr. Gramo.
For my friends, my girls don't let us down. Boy, what you wanting? Yes, you let me down. Yes, for my friends, my girls don't let us down. Boy, what you wanting? Yes, you let me down. Well, she still was right. She said I had no heart. When my heart was bleeding, she turned around and laughed. Yes, for my friends, my girls don't let us down. Boy, what you wanting? Yes, you let me down. Simmer crying, she
cry for you. When you want that stressful Louie, you better do what Louie tells you to. Girls, don't cry for Louie. Louie wouldn't cry for you. When you want that stressful Louie, you better do what Louie tells you to. I met Louie on a Tuesday morning when the clouds were closing down. He said, honey, I really like your dressing. You and I will build it down. I met This woman soon must let me harm me in my pride. Who are you to judge me or to take a side? Just shit along the mister, told me not in a lie. I just had to teach her not to overstep the line. Girls, don't cry for Louie. He wouldn't waste a tear on you. When you want a stress for Louie, you went walking down the avenue. I'm a Louie on a Billy morning in a sleazy part of town. I was still saying I'm feeling kind of lonely. Louie offered me his arms. He said you and I will build this town. He said you and I will build this town.
So that was Mr. Gramo's remix of a Vaya con Dios track called Don't Cry for Louie. Now, Vaya con Dios, despite being Spanish, is actually a Belgian music act, one of the most successful Belgian music acts of all time, selling over 7 million albums and more than 3 million singles as well, which is incredible. And you can find more music from Vaya con Dios all over the place. And you can find more music and remixes from Mr. Gramo, who is from Germany, on SoundCloud. Next up, we got a track from Mr. Edwardz, and it's called G-Club.
I know you're gonna dig this.
From Leeds in the United Kingdom, that was Mr. Edwardz with a track called G-Club. I think that song's got so much swagger, and it's really awesome. I'm definitely going to try and play that one out next time I'm in the mood to play some electro swing out and about. Speaking of me DJing live, if you'd like to see me perform this evening, I'm going to be joining Remy Melee at Wannabe, which is at Bath, Punana. It starts at 10:30 and goes on until late. And Wannabe is a 90s night. We're playing lots of 90s pop. It's always really, really good fun. It's been really packed the last couple of weeks as well. It's been excellent. So if you're in the mood for a bit of 90s nostalgia, then come and join us. Next up, I got a track from Mecrab, and it's called Martini, Chiwawa, Gazpacho. Check it out. This is awesome.